Hey, this is Kevin from Rut Manufacturing. We just come out with a new cutter for the mini skid, and I was up at my hunting property doing a little work, and I was just wanting to show y'all how it works. We're just cutting a big old briar patch right now, just trying to clear it open, thinking about maybe putting a food plot in or something, but mainly just doing some testing with the cutter, see how it does. So far, everything's good with it. I like the way it's doing. Got a 3/4 inch blade holder on it, 5/8 blade, just like a big skid steer cutter. But yeah, y'all just watch and see what you think. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll be glad to answer them and help you out any way we can. This little thing cuts down little small pine trees really good. So far, I've noticed anything under 3 or 4 inches ain't give any trouble. It really does a good job so far. I held it up a little bit there to cut some limbs down. It don't seem to throw stuff near as bad as I was expecting either. On one video, I wore a full face helmet, which honestly ain't a bad idea because it keeps the dust out of your eyes, all that good stuff. Figured I'd just fast forward through this part, same thing over and over, but that way y'all can get the gist of it. I mean, it really does a good job. Right here I'm cleaning out all this undergrowth underneath this big oak tree. It's been, I don't know how long this stuff's been growing, but it's thick. You can't really walk through there. Just trying to make it a little more open so you can get around. As you can see right here, it don't have any issue knocking down these small trees. Well, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Right here at the end, I just want to give you a little drone shot of where we cleared out that briar patch and all. I mean, it done a very good job, and I'm really impressed with it. Like I say, if y'all have any questions, just feel free to call. Let us know what we can help you with. Thanks.